Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for financial aid in Coursera. First, open your web browser and go to the Coursera website. If you do not have an account, create one first and then sign in. After you sign in, use the search bar at the top of the page to search for the course you want to learn. Click on the course name to open the course page. Once the course page opens, scroll down slowly to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, look for the section called More Questions. In this section, find the option that says Financial Aid Available. Click on Learn More next to it. When you click this option, Coursera will take you to the Financial Aid page. Coursera will ask you to select the course for which you want to apply for financial aid. Choose the course and confirm your selection. After confirming, you will be asked to answer several questions. These questions are about your education, your work status, your income, and why you need financial aid. You will also need to write short answers explaining why you want to take the course and how it will help you. Answer all questions honestly and clearly. Once you complete the form, submit your application. Coursera will review your request. The review process usually takes about 16 days. If your application is approved, Coursera will send you an email. After approval, you usually have 180 days to complete the course and earn your certificate. Thanks for watching.